Hello, dear friend. This is Shujit here, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Unique Man. And this is my first video, and I'm going to roasting Miss Nilima Dev Burma, a YouTuber from Tripura. So let's start the video. So guys, चार पाँचटा टपिक माने पॉइंट ना आं कागजाव सैनाखा because bini kok ang bisi ekta khana tok joliya ani channel ang khuluk mani ke kaisa prank comedy entertainment ni bagai jo ang sare rongno phano teinye ko ekta entertainment videos tiklayan hani wan sugoi ang o channel no unique man hani nye open khaimani tobe bini ko ekta মানে তামিন ছানায় বিনি যে কয়েকটা ভিডিও নুমানি পরে আং মান সুক্কা যে ফার্স্ট ভিডিও লে আং বর্ণনা রোস্ট খাই কারণে তামনি বিকজ she is actually crossing her limit ang bono bin limit fungna mo songo bini o kokthai ang sajak liya belai kheno nor baheng jakang saimia noron semanai so video no nor bunuk jak na ang bunuk jak an video ni kuno ang jaya hai ma sama tong hake joto